Hi, I'm Mads Clausen, founder of SwimTool. I would like to welcome you to SwimTool and show you how you get started. First time you come to the homepage, go right here to register, click, and you get to the page where you can register and sign up. You come here, first put in the code. This code is just to make it for us to be sure that you're actually a human being. Then type in your name, your email address, your username. Most people just like to use their own name as username. And then you choose your password and click to accept the terms and conditions. If you want to read all the terms and conditions, just simply click here and you get to read it all. Then simply click register, and we send you an email with your information. So now go to your inbox and find an email that looks like this. Sent from user registration to SwimTool, and click that mail. This mail might end up in your spam box or junk mail, so if you don't get it right away, please check there. Inside the mail, you'll find a link here in the middle. You click that link, you go be sent back to SwimTool, and your account is approved, and you can start using SwimTool. Again, welcome to SwimTool. We look forward to working with you.